Cyberto, the notorious cybercriminal, is reminiscing about all his past schemes. He hasn't heard from Josie in a while, but she's only a web search away. Ha! I knew Josie wouldn't be so foolish as to have her social media accounts entirely public for anyone to— Wait! What's he doing now? Cyberto has created a fake profile of a dashing young heartthrob in an attempt to befriend Josie on her account. I just really hope she doesn't accept the request. Oh, Josie, you should only accept people that you are sure you know. Well, maybe Josie is still cautious with what she shares on there regardless. Wow, that is one rant and a half. Josie sure isn't a fan of the new payroll software from her HR manager Pam. However, regardless of her frustration, this for sure isn't something that should be shared on social media, as well as other information regarding your workplace that isn't already public would be. Cyberto's cunning mind has concocted a plan. With the knowledge of the new payroll software, he creates a phishing email posing as that software, and is about to send it to the HR manager Pam. Pam is led to believe that payments aren't going through, and that the only way to resolve the issue is to follow a link and enter her login credentials. Of course, the link wasn't legitimate though, and now Cyberto is informed on Pam's login details and can freely sign in to the payroll software and transfer company money to his greedy pockets. You really are a nasty piece of work, aren't you? Restrict your privacy settings on social media. Don't accept friend requests from people you don't know. Avoid sharing any information about your company or work that is not already public. Bring up any complaints internally instead of posting about them online.